Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie. I post beauty related content here on YouTube. If they're the videos you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. Yes, I'm in my night robe. I am bloody freezing, but today we're testing out the new Balm Glow Multi-Use Glow for the Face, Luminous Finish, Natural Looking Flush of Colour blush balm things. I have the shade Deep Plum, I have Flush Pink, and I have Rose Pink. So I'm thinking one on each side, and because they're multi-use, one on the lips. So the first shade I'm going to show you is Rose Pink. Now I need to see how much these retail for. One second. They retail for £5.99, which is actually £1 cheaper than these blush sticks. You get a little tin. This reminds me of those little candles. You unscrew it and then you've got the shade in there. They smell like sweets, but like really sickly sweets. And then I'm just gonna like rub and see what we get. You really have to dig, otherwise you'll get no colour. I don't know what I'm thinking about these. Like, I don't know my thoughts on these. They seem very glossy, very balmy. I might end up just using them as lip products, but the smell, it just reminds me of something from my childhood that was really sweet and really sickly. Let's show you Flush Pink next. Again, same kind of tin. Then you open it and that is the shade. It's so easy to dig your finger in there by accident. It is definitely like a lip gloss feel. Can you see that? Oh, second one is Flush Pink. I feel like those two will actually probably go with the look. Maybe that first one will go with the look more. Then we have Deep Plum. Just a side note, I don't see the names of the colours on the tin. That's going to be annoying. Plum just looks like this. That's that all stuck in my nail now, but there are the three shades. Very balmy, glossy looking. Let's just apply. I actually think I'm going to use my finger and apply. Let's try the plum shade first. This is just weird. Alright. And we're going to do what I do best, which is blend with my R8 Revolution brush, which I absolutely love. That actually looks really nice. Oh my god, I love that. And it hasn't picked up any of my foundation. It looks really luminous. Oh my god. Okay, I want to try. I didn't really have high hopes for these because they're balms. I was like, let's try the first shade because I really love the first shade. This one, which was Rose Pink. Right, we're going to do the same. And I think because they're quite balmy, you can be very like, what's the word? Like, you can overuse, you can put a lot on your skin because they blend out. I'm putting extra because I want it to show up a bit more. Yeah, I'm definitely going to put a bit more. I was afraid that they'd blend into nothing. I love the plum one so much more, but they look so nice. I'm so impressed with these. I did not think I was gonna like them. I thought they blend into nothing. These are gorgeous. Should we try that middle shade on my lips? Because obviously we haven't used it just yet. We're using Flush Pink. Don't think it goes with the look, but hey ho. Does not go with the look, but it feels incredible and not even sticky on the lips. Oh my god. And that was just with my finger. Let me just throw on some makeup, do the powder, and show you what my makeup looks like once I've like powdered down, put some bronzer on. But super loving these. Wow. I'm shocked. I am so shocked. So makeup is complete, and oh my god, I did just put on the Wonder lip liner and I kind of blotted down the inside of the lips so it just blended nicely. So with these, you really can, for your lips, like you can go really glossy or you can pat them down and just have like a layer, like a flush of color, and it's really ombre nicely with the liner. I love the packaging of these, and just look how it looks under my makeup. It still has that luminosity to it, which I really like. Like, It's really good for these winter days, so you can just add some hydration to your skin. I just can't stop looking at it. The plum one is my favorite, and I feel like you can add more layers to it, or you can just have that one thin layer. I'm really super impressed with these. I love the packaging. It's cute, and literally the only con to this is there is no name on the back there, no name whatsoever. It literally just has information about these. I'm really sad, and it says it's vegan and cruelty free as well, so these are gorgeous. I love them. They're really different. I just love that you can unscrew it. You've got your color there. I feel like you've got some nice colors here. They have 6 or 8 to choose from, I can't remember, and $5.99, you really can't go wrong. They're also not sticky on the lips as well, so the way that you can blot them down and just have like a flush of colour, your lips are not going to go. If you put a little bit too much on, they are going to gather a little bit, but you don't need to put a lot on. You can put a little bit. Either have a really nice shiny finish, or you can have a nice little flush of colour like I've done. I feel like with my cheeks, they kind of look very similar on. I do prefer the plum side compared to the rose side, but they look very similar, and I love that you can just see the luminosity shining through. I wonder like what other uses you could use these for. I got lips, I got cheeks. Is there any other uses? It says natural looking flush of colour, luminous finish. Well, definitely does have a luminous finish. You can apply to the cheeks and lips, so yeah, just your cheeks and lips. And I just love the boxes, but I'm sad that there's no name on them, so I'm gonna have to try and remember what shades I bought. And there's no way, because all the tins look exactly the same, there's no way of knowing which one's which. You do get 32 grams of product, which is 1.12 ounces. There's quite a lot of product, like it is filled up to here, so there's a lot of product in there. So I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope it gave you more information about these and helps you pick up one if you do, or helps you decide whether you want them or not. And I will catch you in my next video. Bye.